Hey guys, this is Mike from B-Tech Reviews here, and today we take a look at and unbox the Nooie doorbell cam. Hey guys, this is Mike from B-Tech Reviews, and again, welcome back to the channel. So today we are taking a look at the Nooie. It says Nooie Cam doorbell, but I call it the doorbell camera. It's a wireless video doorbell, and it's got a base station with a chime. So this is actually my first experience with kind of like a smart doorbell, and most of these actually will, again, are sold due to security issues, right? A lot of people want to see what's going on their front porch. And the cool part about these is some of these have speakers, so you can actually communicate with people on the outside. Like, let's say you're in the other room and, you know, someone's delivering something, or, you know, whatever, any of those purposes, or again, security reasons, you want to make sure that you know what you're seeing. So let's just take a look at the box here really quick. And again, shout out to Nooie for sending this out to me. The back just says that it is custom motion detection and alerts, cloud or card, your choice. It's got a rechargeable Li-ion battery. It's IP65 waterproof. I've never heard of IP65. I've heard of like 67 and 68. Two-way audio live view. So again, this has to be connected to Wi-Fi. So it's got 2K resolution. So again, 2K resolution over here. Let's see. It's got voice control and easy installation. Now, of course, I'm going to try to install this today. We'll see how that goes. And apparently this works with Google Assistant, and apparently it works with Alexa as well. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed here for you guys. Alright, so hopefully you guys enjoy this sky view. So again, works with Alexa and Google Assistant, says right there, and I am using my wide cam. I am filming on the Google Pixel 6 Pro, by the way. So again, when you open the box, it says warm reception, start with Nooie. So again, I've never, you know, the house that I live in currently is about 40 years old. It's got an old school doorbell ringer, and you know, my parents have been wanting something like this because again, security, right? This thing is huge, by the way. I thought it was going to be a lot smaller than what it is. So this might be interesting setting up. Obviously, here is the user guide and how to get it set up, I believe. And I'm not even sure if this is going to work. I mean, we'll have to see. This might be just one of those things that you plug in somewhere. And it looks like you can literally plug it into like an actual outlet. So let's go ahead and get this going here for you guys. And it's an interesting box over here, so I don't know which is which. I'm gonna have to figure this out, I guess. Let's go ahead and take this out of the box. Okay, here we go. Oh my goodness. Okay, so obviously this is a base. I'm not sure what you would connect this to. I think you would connect this to probably an outlet near your doorbell. And this is a speaker. It looks like it's the speaker, right? So obviously you can connect this, and I guess if there's any type of two-way communication, you can get that going. And just a heads up, guys, I don't have pricing for this at the moment because they sent this to me, and right now I'm looking at their Amazon site, and it's currently unavailable. But I am going to post up the link once the video gets posted, and we'll see how this goes. And again, it's just an overview and unboxing video, guys, so take it with a grain of salt. This is, you know, this is just my experience with this. Let's go ahead and peel this off, see what this 2K camera looks like. It says always be there. So let's see if I can take this off for you guys. Let's get the ASMR going. Oh, okay, here we go. So the lens is already coming off also. So again, this thing is huge, and again, I'm assuming it comes with some sort of rechargeable battery there. And my concern is, like, again, it has to be connected to a battery, so you know, mounting it might not be an issue, right? But keeping this charged, you know, or how I'm going to keep this charged is going to be the second question. So let's take a look see what else is in the box here. It looks like the connections that go with it. So it looks like it's the wall mount, right? And again, you know, it looks like this goes with this. I'm assuming. Maybe not. It does look like it is a mount for it though, and it sticks out pretty big. So I'm not 100% sure. You know, it doesn't look like it'll sit flush. It looks like it's a USB Type-C connector. And flat wall mounts. It says got plenty of space. The flat wall mount will be just right for you. So I don't know, I have no clue what's going on there. Again, I don't know why it's giving me Cat 5 connections from the looks of it. I guess if you want to plug it directly to an internet source, which I'm going to be using the Wi-Fi on this, so that's not going to be any good, like, honestly. Let's see what else is in the box. You guys are seeing my ugly arm. Okay, so it says mount foam. Use mount foam as a reference by sticking it to... Okay, so I'm just going to have that for now. And I guess same thing, stickers. We've got our eye on you, you are welcome. My home is protected by Nooie, so I guess you can, you know, maybe stick this on a window, you know, outside. And then here you go, last package, which I'm not 100% sure, but it does have this. Let's go ahead. I have no clue what it is. It's probably the screws to help you mount the stuff. So let's see if we can get that going really quick. Yeah, it does look like it's screws and mounting brackets and stuff. So we are gonna have to mess a little bit with that. So okay, guys. So wish me luck. I'm going to attempt to install this. You know, again, I'm not familiar with the brand myself. Obviously, it's, to me, it's a brand that I have not heard about, Nooie. So I'm gonna try to get this connected. I'm gonna try to see if my dad will want to help me out with this, because he's a little more mechanically or electrically inclined with stuff like this. So we're gonna go through this together, and then we'll check it out and see if we can get this set up for you. Okay, guys, so this little speaker looking thing, and I thought it was just like a speaker, is actually a base, or it's like a hub for the actual, I guess, the doorbell ringer itself. This actually is what connects to the Bluetooth and to the Wi-Fi in your home. And then from there, oh, I accidentally tapped it. It like knows I'm doing things, but when you actually ring the doorbell, it will actually the doorbell will actually come, or the sound will come out through this thing, and this is again the base, and you can connect it directly to a network connection. It does have a network cable, which is what you guys saw earlier, but I do have this wirelessly set up just because, why not, right? But I just wanted to show you guys this real quick before I actually have this set up here. Alright guys, so I went ahead and got this set up. Now one thing I can tell you right now is mounting it is not the easiest thing. It does have a little back plate that you have to install that's right about right here, and this portion of it mounts onto it. Now it's hard to clip it on, but it's hard to remove. So the thing I don't like about this, I guess, or about this security door camera, whatever you want to call it, doorbell camera, is that to release it, you have to punch in like a little pin down here on the bottom right, in order for that little thing to come off. Otherwise it's not going to come off that easily. But anywho, so here is the actual, let me see if I can punch in there just a little bit. Here's the actual camera itself, right? And when you press the doorbell, this one, it'll make a little noise. So you'll hear that, and the inside of the house, that little base that we connected, will actually make the same noise. Now when you download the app, it will go ahead and notify you on your phone saying your door, or let's see, let's go ahead and, can we put this back on 1X? Here we go. It's going to say your doorbell thinks it's being monitored or whatever. It's being spotted someone. It's ringing, blah, blah, blah. So the cool part is it actually does have motion detection, right? When you have the app connected, right? The only thing I wouldn't like about that is I have trees and I have animals in the background. And again, we'll see how, you know, we'll continue to check this out as we go. I might make a follow-up video on this. And it's relatively easy to set up and plug in as long as you follow the instruction manual. Again, you have to make sure that little base is plugged into the wall first, and you connect it with Bluetooth before setting up this actual camera over here. So again, guys, this is just a quick peek, and just to kind of show you guys what the app looks like. My Nooie app is right here. Let's go ahead and open that up. So out here, this is what my front door looks like. Let's see if I can play that really quick. So let's see if you can see my hand waving out here. That's me right there waving. So I think it's pretty cool. It does have motion activity, and you can record, and there's like a little notification feature. What is this saying? Move back. If I hit that little bell in the middle, it's gonna start like an alarm. I get to scare people off. Let's see if that works. Hold on. It's taking a little bit. I don't know why it's taking that long. Okay, I guess that didn't do anything. Hold on, let's try again. I turned it off, but let's see again. And this was working for me earlier. Let's try again one more time. And there we go. So I went ahead and deactivated it. And again, I don't know if that's to deter people or like to say, hey, someone's like, doing something wrong. You can see me here on the camera. And again, the cool part of it is you can mount it pretty much anywhere. It doesn't even have to be used as a doorbell cam. It could literally just be used as a security camera. But again, as you can see me here, guys, it's really, it looks good. I want to see what it looks like at nighttime. Hopefully the sun starts going down in a few hours. The cool part about it is using the app, you can use features like calling the person through the actual camera. You can start recording video on what's happening outside, or you can take screenshots of what's happening outside. And again, I can also turn this on, and I can hear what's happening. And again, I know that doesn't sound too great because I'm connected to the same network as the camera here, so it's going to sound a little muffled. But I can hear what's going on outside if I just press that little speaker button right there on the bottom of the app. And again, the app's not really hard to use. I really wish there was a little more features here, or I guess I wish they were labeled. I wish they were a little more self-explanatory. Hopefully, whoever was watching this can maybe get the feedback saying and maybe put what these little icons do and what they're for, because the app doesn't, or the little pamphlet that they give you doesn't really explain any of that. It's basically just you have to figure out what everything does. And again, you have to download the Nooie app, and you have to make sure it's set up. So again, guys, this was just a quick video on the Nooie doorbell. And again, I will try to post up affiliate links once I get those set up. So again, guys, if you guys like the video, don't forget to smash the like button. If you guys like the channel, don't forget to subscribe. And as always, we'll see you guys next time.